What's up guys, it's Foodie Hideout here, and today I'm going to start a series called The Basic Things My Wife Eats. This video is going to comprise of 4 ingredients that my wife would eat, and this is the closest thing almost to a salad that I can get her to eat in the 3 out of 4 years she's been vegan. So I hope you like this. It's going to be super short, super sweet. I'm going to try to do these more often throughout the weeks. Everything and anything that she eats together in combination, I'm going to try to make a video for so you guys can see what a day in the life is of Jennifer. That's my wife's name. And I hope you like this. It's actually not a bad recipe. It's super simple, but it is kind of tasty, but it is super basic. So stay tuned. We're going to have more of these in the future, and I hope you enjoy. And there you have it, people. My wife's idea of a salad. Chickpeas, cucumbers with salt and a little tiny bit of pepper. I almost edited it out, but she did say she would try a little bit of it, so there you have it. If you want to try this, it's literally 4 ingredients: salt, pepper, chickpeas, and cucumbers. Knock yourself out. Thanks for watching.